How to export CapCut videos in 4K. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can export videos from CapCut in 4K. Open CapCut and import your video. Once you have imported the video, you will land to the editing page. On this page, you can start your edit. Here you can use different features to enhance your video. There are options such as animation and many more. You can add animation in the beginning or the end or in the entire video clip. Similarly, you can add video effects and many more to your video. Now at the end of the video, you might see a CapCut watermark. To remove the watermark, simply tap on the clip and select Delete from the bottom panel. Now at the top right corner, select 720p. Right now, as you can see, the video file is 44 MB. If you increase the quality of the video, then the file size will increase. At the resolution section, drag the button to 2K or 4K, and as you can see, our file has become 211 MB. Make sure that the resolution is set to 2K or 4K. Now tap on Export to export your video. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.